Hey, it's Noe with WTI, and it was about time to upgrade our son's helmet, and we couldn't be happier with this bike helmet from Silkycaster. Something that stood out to us with this bike helmet was the adjustable brim. It goes up and down, which allows you to adjust depending on the lighting. Another great thing about this helmet is just how breathable this helmet is. It has lots of ventilation holes and it has a padding inside. The straps were easy to adjust and the padded chin strap was an extra bonus. We love that we were able to adjust the helmet depending on who was wearing it with this adjustable knob in the back. We chose matte black because it was perfect for women or men. Of course, our favorite feature was the light. Where we live in fall and winter, it gets darker much faster. So this makes it ideal for any activities that we're doing in the evening. So if you're ready to upgrade your helmet or to get a new helmet for the one you love, then we would highly recommend this bike helmet from Silkycaster. And that's our point of view.